Something, personal dialogue you can do when we feel stressed is we're so conditioned with emotions that we are overwhelmed by them. Like, anger is a typical one. Like something's happening and, in ourselves, we go, I'm so angry. I'm angry because. So we're identifying with the energy of what that is. I'm sad because I feel this because. So we don't realize when we identify with it, we're so engulfed, we're so conditioned to be engulfed by it, to just be completely trapped in the energy of what this is. But when we say I'm engulfed or I'm so angry because we're trapped, again, we're trapped, we say, I'm having this experience of anger. I'm having this experience of anger. We start to sort of step away from a little bit. I'm having this experience of anger. You could say, why am I having this experience of anger? Why is this experience of anger so frustrating for me? Why is this experience of anger is so typical of me? And why does it always happen in these situations? Another way is this person, you could say your name, is having this experience of anger. This person, name, is having this experience of anger. Why is this person, name, having this experience of anger? And then step back one more. I know this person who's having this experience of anger. This person I know, I wonder why they're having this experience of anger. This person I know is having this experience of anger. And then say one more. I know of this person, name, Fred, who is having this experience of anger. I know of this person, Fred. I wonder why he's having this experience of anger. When we step out of it, when it's a way of depersonalizing, it's a way of moving us out of the picture of the overwhelm into the observer. It may sound a little techy, but when you try it on things that feel so frustrating for it, it's interesting how quickly you sort of move away from it. It's like stepping out of the rain. You're stepping out of, you've moved back, maybe you found a bit of shelter. Now you're stepped out of, further back into the garage. You're not getting wet anymore. You're not getting splashed. So each time you step away, you're feeling less engulfed and more clarity sometimes of what this actually is going on. So try this with different things that go on and use this in different emotions, different feelings, different spaces of when you walk, when you're going to somebody's house. I have to go over to somebody's house, and every time I go there, I feel frustrated. I feel overwhelmed. So you start to say, why am I feeling overwhelmed when I go to their house? Why is why do I have this feeling of being overwhelmed when I go to their house? Why, when I think about going over to their house, am I having this feeling? And then why is this person, your name, having this feeling overwhelmed when I go to this other person's house? I know this person who has this feeling of overwhelm when they're going to this house. Why does this person I know feel overwhelmed when they're going to their house? It's another way of, again, sort of disconnecting from the identity to the I am to this observer again, and seeing how this feels when you have situations pop up and be creative. I mean, obviously, we've got AI, we can throw this dialogue and create different scenarios, but it gives you another thought process to sort of feeling less trapped and more of the observer. And from there, you create more choices. Feel free to reach out. Thank you very much.